Hello guys, it's Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Centre, and today I'm gonna show you how you can troubleshoot your Bluetooth connection with your Android 10 device. And here we have again our Google Pixel 2 XL and a couple of Bluetooth devices. So this one is your Bluetooth earbuds. So this is not totally wireless. This is a JBL and Bluetooth speakers. So kind of like a car freshener from Logitech. So these devices are not really that expensive. You can buy this anywhere and it's really quality sounds. So if you want to buy something cheaper or from lesser known brands, it's up to you. But these brands, JBL and Logitech, tend to have a good reputation when it comes to sound quality for the price that they offer. And mostly when you connect this to your Android 10 device, so this Google Pixel 2 XL has the latest Android 10 update, and it's not really that different from the previous versions of Android, but there's some interface changes with the Android 10 operating system. And sometimes when you are familiar with Bluetooth devices, sometimes they connect immediately, sometimes they have problems connecting at all. So when you go to your settings, quick settings, and turn on your Bluetooth, it will scan for available devices that you can connect it to, and most likely you have to turn on your Bluetooth device. For example, this one. So you have to press it twice. So there are some differences to turn on various devices. Sometimes you have to long press, you have to double press, so you just have a single power on button. So in this case, Logitech requires you to double press on the power button and long press to scan for devices that you want to connect it to. So let's see if it connected immediately. So I previously connected these two devices, but this time they can't seem to find a stable connection. So this Logitech X50, you can tap on it and it will be connected. Yep, it's connected. However, this is not the case most of the time. Sometimes the device you are trying to connect to is on. Your phone's Bluetooth connection is set to on, but it doesn't immediately happen like that. Sometimes you have to go and long press. So in the quick settings, for example, you're on the home screen and you're in the quick settings, you can long tap on it, and it will direct you to the settings of the connected devices. So this is a feature for Android 10. And when you want to disconnect it, you can either turn off the Bluetooth. Actually, you can just turn it off, disconnected, but this one is still on. So what if you want to connect this? So you have to turn this on and turn on your Bluetooth. So if your device is not, this one is our JBL earphones. Let's see if they can connect. So this is the typical workflow when you want to connect the device. So as what you can see, the device has a difficulty connecting to the JBL. So one way you can troubleshoot this and make this work the second time is either one, you have to restart the device. So the device is your smartphone. So if you want to restart this, and maybe you can take some time to restart it, then it will clear some cache and make some adjustments on the connections, renew the connections, and it will eventually work. So You can do that, or you can just restart the connecting devices. So the earphones that you're going to connect, you just have to turn this off. So in this case, the JBL Bluetooth earphones just have the volume up and down button, and the power button also acts as the Bluetooth button and the answer call button. So because you can answer calls in this one, and then you just turn it back on. So that's how a restart on these devices are. You have to turn this off and turn this on manually, and then when you go back here, you can try it again. And then, so the first one is when you restart your device, you restart the connecting device. And the third one is you can also, as what you can see, I have multiple devices that has been previously connected to this device. So what you can do is go to the settings, and you can forget it. Forgetting is that it is making it erase the profile of that connecting device. So when it will try to connect it, if you search on it, pair a new device, it will look for this device. It will look for this device and renew that connection. So the previous connection it's as if the device has been forgotten. So that's the point of forgetting the device. So let's see if we can try this again. Restart the Bluetooth earbuds. So this is the cons of having Bluetooth connections. So one way that this can't be connected is if the device is connecting to other devices. So this Bluetooth earphones seem to be connecting to the Samsung Galaxy S8 that's recording this video. So just make sure that you connect this to your own devices, not to other people's devices. And if you can detect that someone is connected to these earphones, then you can turn off the Bluetooth of the device. So in this case, my Galaxy S8 is connecting to this JBL earphone. So that's why it limits the connectivity to the Google Pixel 2 XL. So that's one way you can troubleshoot it. Restart the device, restart the connecting device, forget the profile from your smartphone, and try to reconnect it, and ensure that it's not connected to other devices. So this Logitech is allowing you to connect to 2 devices at once. This JBL earphones is only limited to 1. So you have to know the features and the limitations of your speakers and earphones, so you won't have this problem. And if you give up and you don't want to troubleshoot this anymore, then maybe you can find some wired solutions, wired earphones and speakers, like something like that. So hope this is helpful to you guys, and I have a video about how you can connect wired and wireless device to your Android 10 device. So it's been a good day here in Sydney. Till next time, guys. Cheers.